What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome to my show. As many of you know, I am an expert salesperson, and so today I'm going to teach you guys the art of the cold call. Now, backed by popular demand, I have with me today the millionaire dialer that was bequeathed to me by the almighty powerful Tai Lopez. So let's use this phone, and let's use it to dial some cold calls to hopefully sell my master course that I have coming out for the low price of $1,200. Here we go. Okay, it's ringing. It's ringing, you guys. Hey there, how's it going? My name is Todd Baldwin, and I would like to talk to you about my Millionaire Mega Matrix Master Course that I would like to talk to you about today, about how you too can start making buckets of money each and every month.
First, take a big step back and literally f*** your own face!
Damn. Okay, well, I had to hang up on that guy because he's clearly in a bad mood. He's probably like COVID-19 positive or something. He's super, so yeah, we're going to go on to the next cold call here. The next person on the list. Okay, shh, it's ringing. Shh. Okay. Hey, how's it going there? I wanted to talk to you about how you can make $2 million every single month.
You and your 2 million.
Okay, hey, no need to use profanity, all right? I just want to talk to you about how you can make money each and every month like me and my great mentor, the almighty Tai Lopez.
Don't you understand English, you useless piece of shit?
Useless? Mr. Gibson, you think that I am useless? Do you have any idea how much money I have made by selling my master course?
No money, none!
All right, I'm hanging up on you. I am hanging up on you right now. Stay calm, stay cool and collected, just like Tai Lopez taught me. It's just you brush it off, you go to the next cold call. Time to dial up the next individual. Yes, hello there, Mr. Cruz. My name is Todd.
Yeah, what can I do for you, Rod?
No, not Rod. My name is Todd. T-O-D-D. All right, now I want to talk to you about my master course. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So I personally make about infinity billion dollars every single second. Do you have any questions for me about the money that I make, which is approximately infinity billion dollars every single second?
Show me the money!
You mean show it to you like prove that I make all this money? Like show you my tax returns?
Show me the money!
Well, I can't show it to you right now because, I misplaced it. My dog ate it. Yeah, my dog ate my tax returns, but you can just take my word for it, right? Yeah, about infinity billion dollars.
Show me the money!
Hey, all this talking about my tax returns got me thinking something. You must be a racist.
I love black people!
Oh, you do? Okay, well then, great. Well, in that case, I have a master course to sell you that I personally, I make about infinity billion dollars every single month that I've talked about, and, I think you'd be a good candidate to see if you can do that as well.
Show me the money!
No, I'm not going to show you the money, and if you keep asking me to show you the money, you know what? I'm gonna bang your mom. That's right, Mr. Cruz, I'm gonna bang your mom.
You my motherfucker!
Yeah, that's right, I'm about to be Mr. Cruz.
Show me the money!
Okay, you know what? I'm not going to show you the money. I'm not going to prove anything to you. You have the mentality of a poor person. You are stupid. You're going to be broke forever. Probably a dumb loser. Just hanging out with stupid, ugly chicks all the time. Well, I'm going to be banging your mom. So you know what? Screw you. Okay, folks. Well, I have one last phone call to make before I'm just going to call it a day. This entrepreneurship thing is really rough, so I don't know why nobody wants to buy my master course. I make infinity billion dollars every single month, and I just want other people to make infinity billion dollars too. So just please, Please, somebody buy my master course and learn how to be rich just like me. Okay. Okay. One last phone call. Here we go. Hi there, I'm an entrepreneur and I make a boatload of money and I want to talk to you about my master course so you can get rich too.
I don't know who you are.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Todd Baldwin and I am a Ty Lopez student.
I don't know what you want.
Well, what I would want, Mr. Sir, is for you to, maybe sort of purchase my master course for the low price of $1,500?
I can tell you I don't have money.
You don't have money. Well, that's because you haven't yet bought my master course. So if you don't have money currently, but you want to learn how to become rich, I highly suggest you open up a new credit card and you charge the master course to that credit card.
But what I do have are a very particular set of skills.
Excellent. Hey, skills are great. You need skills to be an entrepreneur. Not anyone can do this. Not anyone can be a Ty Lopez student. You have to have skills plus about $35,000 to pay him to be your mentor. But, skills are great. So tell me, what kind of skills do you have?
Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you.
A nightmare. That's interesting. Skills are good. I'm not afraid of nightmares. That sounds like a little kid stuff.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Okay, so he did not want to take my master course. Nobody wanted to take my master course. I think I'm just going to give up. I think I'm just going to consult my guru, Ty Lopez, and I'll pay him his consulting fee of $5,000 for about 10 minutes of his time, and I'll figure out what to do next. But you guys, because I did do really well here, if you could just please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if it's not too much trouble, could you click the subscribe button down below? And if you have it in your heart, could you please follow me on Instagram at Todd J. Baldwin? And if you like TikTok, please follow me there as well. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.